Welcome to the Love Integrity Building Relationships in Truth online course with myself, Jona, Bryndis, and Jeff Casper. I will introduce to you the three major parts of this online course, which are obviously the online training, the online webinar training, a self-study part that's minor, that's maybe 10-15 minutes a week to read for you and to contemplate with assignments. We've chosen to add an extra to the course once a week. In addition to the group trainings, we'll have breakout sessions. Because every time we are in relationship with somebody, and this doesn't just apply to our romantic relationship partners, we have to interact. An interaction between humans can happen on many, many different levels, as you all know, on the physical, emotional, mental, intellectual, spiritual, and energetic level. And we are going to explore all these different levels together. The orientation meet will give you a little bit of an overview of why we are looking at relationships this way. So I'm very, very excited. We will go through the uncharted territory of building or rebuilding a relationship in truth. Be curious, guys. There will be a lot of eye-openers and game changers for you in this course. Thank you for coming. Thank you for taking this opportunity to translate all your insights into your personal life. This is what these coming years are all about, and you are at the forefront of this. Congratulations. Bye-bye.